How to unlink Steam from Social Club. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can unlink Steam from Social Club, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to unlink your Steam from Social Club, all you have to do is first of all go to socialclub.rockstargames.com. I'll make sure to drop a link below and make sure that you're logged into your account. So first thing you have to understand is that you cannot yourself or manually basically unlink your Steam from Social Club, because when you had linked it to play GTA 5 something, you might have gotten a pop-up that said it is unlinkable, but then you link the account anyway. To unlink it, you have to contact the customer support and only unlink your Steam ID or your Steam account from your Social Club account. Now once you're on the website, just click the profile icon from the top right, go to help and go to support over here as you can find it. When you go to the support option, you're going to be taken to this page where, of course, what do you need help with? We're going to simply select Social Club account as you can see here. Make sure to click on it, and again, what do you need help with? We want to select Social Club account here. Under it you'll find account linking button. Make sure to click on account linking. Over here in the description tab, you simply have to let them know that you want to unlink your Steam account from your Social Club account, and you have to give them your Steam account ID. Now to find your Steam account ID, open the Steam application here, then click your profile name from the top right hand side of the screen. Then make sure to just go to account details as you can find it. When you go to account details, right under your account name, if you look at the little bottom in this faint text, you have this option called Steam ID. So this number right over here, this random number, is basically your Steam ID. Make sure you simply copy the Steam ID and then just come back to the browser. Right here you want to let them know that this is the Steam ID that is connected with your Social Club account, and you want to unlink it from your Social Club account, and make sure to enter a title. Click on submit web ticket, and you'll most likely get the response within 48 hours, which is the estimated response, right? So they will contact you via this, and then you should be simply patient and wait until they unlink it for you, or maybe just reply to it. So make sure to check your email thoroughly as well. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.